So here we have the Nokia 7020, and Chris has some questions to go over with me today.
Okay, it looks like a nice, so far, a clean, basic flip phone. So let's open this thing up and see what it's all about.
So as you can see, once it's opened up, you have a very large keypad down here on the bottom and a very clean, clear screen on the top.
Okay, so it seems like the keys are, they're fairly large too, which is nice for anyone with like bigger thumbs or is kind of always found keyboards a bit awkward. Now, okay, go ahead.
Very user-friendly phone all around. The menu and the software to go through, like when you're navigating through, when you open up the menu, you'll see that your icons are actually quite large.
Can you dial a number for me too?
For sure. To get to the numbers when you just dial from your screen.
Okay, so like a blue kind of background comes in with big numbers, which is nice, especially for someone, again, that is looking for just some basic functionality of phone. Maybe if they even have a bit of a trouble seeing, it's going to be really easy to see the number that they're dialing for far less misdials. Sure. Looks good. Does it have a camera on it?
It does have a camera. It also has a video recorder in it.
Okay.
And it does support any music and photo storage. It does have expandable memory.
Okay.
So you can add a memory card to it. Again, all around user-friendly phone. It does display the date, or sorry, the time on the outside of the phone when you close it.
Okay.
And also when you have an incoming call, if you have the call display name display on your plan, it will display who's calling you without you having to open the phone. Which
is nice. It also looks like it's got a fairly hardy construction. So I could see this phone also working very well, not only for a basic user, but someone that's perhaps part of a construction crew or something like that. They can put it in their pocket, they can put it on a holster, what have you.
As you can see, when the phone is closed, it's not a very bulky phone.
Right.
So it's easily accessible in a lot of situations, right? So it easily fits into your purse without creating a lot of bulk, or into your pocket or a pouch that you may have to carry on you for work.
Right. You can still also do your, if you're social networking, your Facebook, all that sort of stuff.
You can. It is for the mobile browser. You can go onto the internet. You can see a Facebook icon down here, so you can keep in touch with your social networking contacts. You can also text message on it as well. It's a multi-tap function, so...
Right. Okay, so it's got the recognition software. It sees what you're attempting to type and it fills it in for you. It probably does a pretty good job at that, I would imagine, too.
Very straightforward.
And then the center sort of silver square thing is, of course, your navigation board, so you can kind of flip easily back and forth between all your applications and stuff like that.
Yep, so these three, the two lines here in the center button are called soft keys, and they change their functionality depending on the selection down here at the bottom of the screen as you go into different menus.
Perfect. Seems great. Okay, thanks, Stacy.
You're welcome.